Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a travel map animation in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First things first, drag any kind of world map. You can download it from internet. Then adjust the project timeline or sequence settings according to your map. Then adjust the dimension of your map. Then select the pen tool. Draw the starting point of your map and ending point. When drawing the ending point, hold your mouse and create a shape like this. Then go to Effect Controls and go to Shape option. Uncheck the Fill option and give a check mark on the Stroke option. Then increase the value of stroke. Now, beside Stroke option, you'll find a drop-down menu of Shape Outline. Select Center from here. And then change the color of your shape. You can choose any kind of color or shades you want. Now go to Effects tab, search Crop. Drag it into the Shape layer. Go to Effect Controls tab. From Crop option, select Right option and create Keyframe. Set starting point and ending point according to your need. Now easy in and easy out the keyframes. Now import a location pin PNG file into the timeline. You can download the location pin from the internet. Then, keep the location pin in the starting point of the shape. You can add pop-up effect in the location pick by setting keyframes. Then import another location pick and keep it in the ending point of the shape. Add pop-up effect in the location pick here also by setting keyframes. Now, everything is done. Check the final output. You'll see the effect is working properly. If not, edit again on that part. That's it. That's how you make a travel map animation in Premiere Pro smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.